Hello, today I wanted to talk to you about these sorting cups by Skoolzy. These are just basic counting cups or sorting cups in several different colors. The red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. These are perfect for teaching little ones, preschool kids and stuff, separating, sorting, especially with like counting bears and stuff like that. I will say when I ordered these, I thought I was going to get 60 counting bears with them because the cover photo showed that. However, that is not the case. That is okay though. I mean, I was a little bummed, but I just went ahead and ordered the counting bears separate. I actually had some sorting cups and counting bears several years ago for one of my oldest children. Side note, I'm a mom of 5, and this was genuinely a good item. It was just something fun for her to play with, and she played the mess out of it. And so have my other kids, and it was time to replace them. So that's what this is. I'm actually replacing this. This is actually going to be a gift for my youngest child, and I just know, just because I've seen the way my kids enjoyed counting bears. I remember playing with counting bears when I was in elementary school and preschool and stuff like that. And it just, I don't know, something about them. I guess the cuteness of them, the colors of the cups and everything. It's just an awesome item, whether you're in the classroom or you're planning to do this as a homeschool thing, or just to have like, just something for your kids to play with. It's easy. And it does genuinely keep them busy for a long time, It also comes with a bag that you can put these in to help keep it organized when storing. So there you have it. If you were to ask me my short, sweet opinion on these sorting cups, I think this is definitely an item to have, especially with paired with other stuff like the counting bears. This is definitely something to have in any kid's toy room. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.